Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties, a YouTube channel. Today we bring to you a very beautiful ultra luxury villa. It's located in near Nandi Hills, and this villa is primarily for rental. There you could see it's in the vicinity of the Nandi Hills. We zoom in a little. I'm not sure if you could see that. Yes, now I think you get a view of the hills there. That's the elevation of the villa. Quite contemporary. It's a 4-bedroom plus a multi-purpose room, G+2 structure with 4 car park, with about 8,148 square feet of plot area, with about 5,890 square feet of built up. That's quite a huge plot area with decent amount of built up and a very contemporary design. Now let's do a walk around of the villa to show you how it is. Now we enter into this beautiful 4-bedroom villa. I repeat, it's an uber. It's ultra luxury. That's the main entrance into the villa, with a little bit of landscape on either sides at the entrance. That's the main door with fixed glass panels on either side of the main door. As we enter into the entrance foyer, and to the right here, that's the powder room. Quite decent. And that's how the ground floor is spread out. Those are the stairs which takes you to the first and second floor. That complete wall there is of fixed glass panels, so ensuring a lot of light in the villa. And there you go, that's the main living area. Quite decent in size. All the walls here, instead of bricks, they've used the glass panels, so ensuring a lot of light and cross ventilation, and with that amazing view on offer. You have that beautiful backyard view of the golf course. And that's the view of the living area from the other end. That's where we entered in from. On your right side, right hand extreme corner is the main door, main entrance, behind which is the powder room, and then entrance foyer. And here right on in front of your screens right there is the kitchen, which is a closed kitchen, and adjacent to that it's the dining area that you could see. And now we head into the kitchen. That's the closed kitchen. That's the chimney and the hob there, with an island center table. And that's the utility area and the maid's room. And that's the maid's entry. We head back in from the maid's entry. Quick view of the kitchen. And that's the living area on your screens right now. And to the right here is the dining space. And to the left is bedroom number 1. That's the wardrobe closet with an attached bathroom and a toilet. Now we exit from bedroom number 1. And we head on to the first floor. Now we are on the first floor. The first floor has got wooden laminate flooring with a small internal balcony which overlooks the foyer, the entrance foyer. That's the entrance foyer, and then those are the huge fixed windows just below the ceiling level. So I think these are the best features of this property. And that's how the floor number 1 or the first floor is spread out. Right there on the center of your screens is the master bedroom. It is a double door entrance to the master bedroom, and we walk you straight in there, and then it has 2 more other rooms which I'll show you after we're done with showing you the master bed. This floor is entirely wooden laminate. And there you go. That's master bedroom for you. Quite spacious in size. A pitched roof. So making it almost a double height. And then fixed slit windows there on the top, just below the ceiling. And that's the door which opens out to the balcony. An amazing view. This is a U-shaped balcony. And with this amazing view. And you have the Nandi Hills in the backdrop. That's the Nandi Hills for you in the backdrop. With a nice little water body there. And with this amazing view. A view of the master bedroom from the balcony. Centralized air conditioning. And there you see on your screens to the left, where we're walking towards, is the wardrobe closet with an attached toilet and a bathroom. Now we head out of the master bedroom. And walk you into bedroom number 3. This room also has got an attached balcony. An L-shaped balcony here. Again with view of the golf. Again, this room also has got a view of the golf course. A walk-in wardrobe closet with an attached bathroom and a toilet. Now we head out of bedroom number 3. And take you into bedroom number 4. The best thing about this villa is you've got a lot of huge windows and French windows here, so ensuring a lot of natural light. This room is also attached with a toilet and a bath with a small walk-in wardrobe closet. Yes, we head out to bedroom number 4. So all the 4 bedrooms here have got a balcony. Sorry, the 3 bedrooms on the first floor have all got a balcony. And they all have a view of the golf course as well. We head out to bedroom number 4. And we walk up to the floor number 2. So now we are on the second floor of this G+2 structure. Second floor has got a multi-purpose room and an open terrace. That's the multi-purpose room where you can have either a gym or a home theater, media room, or just a library and a study. You can even make it as your office space and enjoy that view. And also on the second floor is the terrace. And that's the view that the terrace has to offer. With this, we come to an end of today's home tour. Hope you've liked what you've seen. It's a uber luxury villa property on a golf course and quite close to the Nandi Hills as well. So in the north of Bangalore, Devanahalli. So if you'd want to live in a beautiful place like this, do contact us on the numbers given below. With this, we end today's video. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing our videos. Please refer our channel to your friends and family. Thank you so much. Have a great day.